Well, it appears as though it is happening. I'm going to read what President Donald Trump just tweeted out there, or put on Truth Social. And it's big for the mortgage world. So pay attention. If you're thinking about buying a home or been on the sidelines, listen close. Biden ignored the housing market and instead was immersed with high crime, open borders, runaway inflation, the Afghanistan disaster, and the military that is left in chaos and confusion. Everything was broken, but I, as President of the United States, have already fixed it. Now I am going to give special attention to the housing market. Thank you. We need it. Because I chose not to sell Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac in my first term, a truly great decision, and against the advice of the expert, it is now worth many times that amount, an absolute fortune, and has $200 billion in cash. Because of this, I am instructing my representatives to buy $200 billion in mortgage bonds. This will drive rates down, all caps. Monthly payments down, all caps, and make the cost of owning a home more affordable. It is one of my many steps in restoring affordability, something that Biden administration absolutely destroyed. We are bringing back the American dream that was destroyed by the last administration. Make America great again. So, what this is saying is he's buying the bonds, which is going to give the ability for interest rates, mortgage rates to drop. We've been saying that he wants to do this. Now, will this actually happen? It sounds like it's going to. It sounds like he has taken the steps to make sure that rates come down. Will it drive home prices up? Well, it depends on how far rates come down. If rates drop down to 5.25 to 5.5, we're going to have great growth in the housing market, but maybe not so absurd that rates go through or home prices go through the roof. But if rates drop all the way down to 3%, buckle up. What did we say for the last 5-6 months? Buy something now while it's available. Don't get caught waiting for the rates to drop and then get in the situation where you can't find the right home because they're all going too fast. I would say that we need to have a conversation and you need to be ready. And if you really want to wait till rates drop, let's have the conversation. That way we are on the same page, and when it is time to jump, we can jump together and do it quickly, rather than starting the process after rates drop and then being late to the game. But good news for the housing market, good news for Americans. If we can get rates to come down, that would help a lot of people. Because did you know that 80% of the mortgages held today are higher than 3%? 20% are above 6%. That 20% could really use a refi. The rest of us might want to move because we've been stuck in the same house too long and it's time to upgrade. Let me know if you're interested. We'll see what happens. And I'm out.